Dr. Sanchita, want to bring you in, and we've all been saying, and we acknowledge that there is a lot of unverified but readily available information on nutrition and diet, right on our fingertips, on the palm of our hands. Sometimes, instead of benefiting, it adversely affects us. How can people, all of us, find that balance, and gauge what is the correct information? Is everything that is available on the internet to be used? How do you tell your patients to, sort of use good information versus bad information?
Okay, yes, there is a lot of misinformation and myths on the internet, and it's difficult for people, for the layman, to understand what is right and what is wrong. So especially if you have a problem, I think the best thing would be to visit your nutritionist or visit a doctor. If you already have a lifestyle disease and you are on medications, then it's better you visit a doctor who is also interested in nutrition, who is working through nutrition to cure people, because they'll be able to give you the best information. It's very difficult to make out what is right, what is wrong. There's so much confusion. There is so much of, for influencers are doing a lot of work where they talk about things which will give them some quick views and stuff like that. So I think the best and the safest way would be to visit a doctor who is working also on nutrition, who will be able to guide you, or a nutritionist who will be able to guide you what is the right thing to take, get the basic nutrition plan from them, and based on that plan, I am a plant-based doctor. I talk to people about taking a plant-based diet. But there are so many vegan diets on the internet which will have oil or refined foods in them, and that is not a whole foods plant-based diet. That can be very harmful. So only once we have guided them, what is right, what is meant by whole foods plant-based diet, and how do you choose recipes which will give you the foods in their natural forms, which have been not processed, which are not ultra processed, which have not been processed, or they're minimally processed. That basic information has to come from a well-qualified nutritionist or a doctor. Only then can you go and visit your reels. Thank you.
Right, absolutely. And when you do look up on the internet, for instance, all of you doctors are always there to support us when we do our articles on onlymyhealth.com. It's a good way to see that if the information there has been substantiated to a doctor, or citation from a research, and only then should you, take that at face value.